So, let's do this. So, 7, 16, 8, 16. Let's do this. See you guys in a little bit. FYI, we're supposed to be trying to get all the quests done. Oh, shooty patootie. I made another account. But anyways, y'all. Hey, everybody. So, we're back, and let's go straight back to Roblox. And, yeah, I only got 15 stars. So, let me mark down what I was at the first time. Of course, because silly me doesn't mark down anything anymore. So 120. So her original was 120. Okay, 1. And we just... Okay. We only went up by 3 equals 15. So we're going to have to go up a lot more to get this. But I will keep going. But 123. See you guys in an hour. Anyways, so let's first like delete all these timers. Because these are going to be filled with my Pestle X timers. No alarms. I'm done. 9:17. That should be good enough to do it. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Hi, y'all. It's like the end of the night. We only got 13 stars. I'll check in a moment. But, let me find my pen. Where did my pen go? Well, it kind of got lost, so we're going to have to use a different pen now. So, we're at 13 stars right now. Yeah, guys, it's 9 o'clock. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to hash that. Anyways, so we ended on 126 tonight. That means you only went by 6 in 2 hours. So I ended at plus 1, 2, 3 row plus 3 equals 15. I had 13. Now that equals 126. Yeah, love you all. Thank you guys so much for watching. But we are gonna hatch this pet. But first I put these all into our bank. Oh shoot. And so for all these pets, Humpty Dumpty's never gonna see them again. Hopefully they're going somewhere in a great need. To like people who don't have these pets. That's what I want them to go to. But anyways, let's see if there's any fruits. I need to break 2 apples. Never mind. Let me break that real fast. How long does it? Oh my. It literally takes so long. But anyways, let's go. What? We haven't, like, I don't even know if I named him. Okay. This is gonna be Pete. Hi, Pete. So today we're gonna be opening this egg, and if you don't give me a shiny, then I'm gonna be giving it away to a subscriber. Isn't that nice? Like literally, or just a viewer. Oh, you outdid yourself. Thank you so much. But since I already have a shiny one, I'm gonna be putting it in my bank. And if you guys comment your username down below, Justbreaker. Then you guys are going to be winning this. So I'm going to be locking it for y'all so I can know that it's for you guys. I will do it. Oh, yeah, I can't hold any more pets. That's why I'm going to, and now that 1, and then delete it. I can hold like 0 more pets now, but like, watch this. Thank you so much for watching. I literally love you all. I'm very tired. Bye-bye.